Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a comparison Yahoo Finance Android application versus Google Finance Android application, my friends. So let me start with the basic differences, my friends. As you can see, I am on Google Finance right now, and it has a very easy minimalistic layout, my friends. It's very easy, and you see 4 tabs at the bottom, my friends, while at the same time, if we check Yahoo Finance, it doesn't have a minimalistic design. However, my friends, Yahoo Finance app is more designed for researchers, my friends, and active traders, my friends. So this is understandable, my friends. While the Google Finance app is for casual trackers and AI enthusiasts, my friends. This Yahoo Finance app has a lot of deep data and live broker syncing. It has deep dive data, my friends. While Google Finance app has generative AI market summaries, my friends. I made this talked about this in the previous video, my friends, when I searched for Reddit in the ask section, and it gave me a summary about all what is happening in the stock market of Reddit, my friends. So, my friends, one more difference you can see in the Google Finance versus Yahoo Finance is that Google Finance, like I earlier said, is not dependent on any ads, my friends. It doesn't have any advertisements, while Yahoo Finance does have ads, my friends. Last but not the least, my friends, one more thing. Yahoo Finance app is a mature app. It has been in the market for a long time, my friends, and has been available on Android, both Android and iOS, while Google Finance app just launched recently on Android only, while they claim that it would be coming on the iOS pretty soon, my friends. So these are the basic differences between Yahoo Finance app versus Google Finance app on the Android operating system, my friends. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Soon I'll write an detailed article on it on Medium, so that you can better understand all the things about it. Seeing this video along with it, you will have a full grasp on how both of these finance apps on Android are versus each other, their comparisons, strengths, weaknesses, whatnot, my friends. Thanks for watching.